Okay, so here are my two Instant Pots, and I'm gonna use both of them to make lunch, what we'll have for lunch and dinner today. And so in the big Instant Pot here, I have a lentil, so there's brown lentils at the bottom here, butternut squash, and then I made a cilantro, coconut, ginger, garlic kind of paste that I put in here. I blended it up in the blender. And then there are also green peas in here, and then lots of spices and some coconut oil. That's the white you see floating on top. In the little Instant Pot, we have white rice with some chicken broth. And I also put a little bit of coconut oil in. So there's some spices in there and chicken broth. So our lunch will be this lentil stew with rice. So these are two different types of Instant Pots. So I'm gonna show you setting the smaller one first. Let's see if I can do this and hold the camera. So I'm gonna put this top on here. It's still saying off. I wanna make sure that this valve here is turned all the way towards the outside of the pot so that it holds the pressure. So once it pressurizes, this little metal thing is gonna pop up and it will hold the pressure in, okay? So we've heard it sing its little song. It's shut, the valve is closed. I'm gonna come down to the panel here and I'm gonna hit rice and it automatically sets. And it will show here pressure low, so it's starting, it's beeping, and then normal cooking, okay? So that's good to go. It will pressurize though, so I wanna make sure that pressure valve is closed. So now I'm gonna move to the big Instant Pot and I'm going to close it. And it sings its little song. Now this one, I don't need to set anything except I need to make sure if I have released the pressure valve prior that it's back to closed, okay? And you can see in the back here, it pops up, goes down. So I wanna make sure it's down. This shows that it's closed here, okay? I hardly ever open this one because this one sings to you when it's done. So this is our newer, fancier one. So here, I could just hit something like rice, but I'm cooking beans. I'm cooking a soup. So I'm actually gonna hit pressure cook, and then there's all these choices on the sides here. So I'm gonna rotate the knob until I get to beans. And it's gonna do pressure high for beans, okay? And then I'm gonna press start. So it's beeping to let me know it's starting. Okay, and so both of these are now cooking and are set to pressurize. And we'll have lunch here ready in about half an hour between what they are gonna take to heat up and cooking. Now when they're done, I can either release the pressure or give it a little more time and the pressure will automatically release. This Instant Pot will sing once the pressure is released and it's safe to open the lid. This one will not, but I'll be able to tell from this will fall back down into this position where it is right now. So I hope that that's really helpful. Pressure cooking, especially legumes, beans, is very helpful for our digestion too. It helps to remove the lectins from the legumes. So that's a great thing about Instant Pots as well, and making sure that you're cooking in the stainless steel pots, not the ones that are lined with Teflon. Okay, hope that's helpful. Have fun, happy cooking.